Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, what I wanted to do was take you behind the scenes of one of the best features I've seen in Selldone. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always putting out new videos, trying to help you with your tech stack, trying to help you with your sales, to help you with your bottom line. All right, let's get into it. If you want to see my initial overview of this tool, this is a big tool, so I'm not going to be able to do a full video on it just now. But what I want to do is show you some of the small pieces in one. This is one of the best features I thought. I actually did an overview over all of them. I called it Store Wars. You can see that video probably up top, or there'll be a link in the description to that of some of the latest stores that are out. But what I love about this particular store is the affiliate partner center. You can create an affiliate in short order, and let me show you how to do that. So again, this tool is probably more fluid than you think, and what I love about it is it appears as though they built it from the ground up, right? And so let me walk you through the affiliate, how to create an affiliate partner real quick, and let me show you how to do that, because I want this video to be short. You do have the option to create an affiliate for all products or just for certain products, and you can select those if you want to. So let's take a look and see how that looks. So what you do is you're going to go here to new affiliate partner. Let me go ahead and put that in and see how that looks. So once you get into new affiliate partner, you could either put in a company name or just a regular name, and then you set it to active, right? It's already enabled to do that. So the most important thing you'll have to put here is I will put in, I'll just go team Flight Jones Merc, right? And so I'll use that. And then what I'll do here is I want to get paid in this particular currency here. Let's take a look at all the currencies they have: US, Europe, Britain, Canada, just so you guys can see, Indian rupees. So you got a lot of different ways for the person to get paid. They got a lot here. So I think some people have concerns with that, but here they go right here, and it goes on and on. So you can get paid in a lot of different ways. So it goes there. I just wanted to be able to show you that because there are some of the other people from other countries viewing this video. All right, so what you can do here is you can say, hey, you know what? I want you to pay a flat commission. So I'll put here the average is anywhere between 25 to 30%, or I can just do a fixed dollar amount. Hey, you get $100 on every particular purchase, right? All right, so then what you do is you come here and then you put in an affiliate name. That's also inside of there. That's optional. The only other thing that's mandatory from this particular screen is email address. So once you put in an email address, we are done, right? Or you can go here and says, hey, I only want them to do select products. If I leave it blank, right? If I leave it blank, then I can go and I can select certain products. So you might not want them selling everything. You might just want them to sell a few things. So again, this is that allows you to link to do everything. You can connect one of your domains to your affiliate partner, so you can actually they can have their own store, and then you can put stuff in there to one of your domains. You can have, I think you get a couple of different domains, depends on which one you select, and then you do that. I want to keep this video real short, so let's go on with that. And this is affiliate POS for point of sales. So then let's just add the partner. So I'm gonna just put a different email address in here. I don't want you guys to see it. Actually, I can just put any email, my email, right, at gmail.com. All right, so we'll just put that in there just as a test, right? Boom, there you go. You're all set. The person's already set up here. You can go right here. You're all set up. We've got Team Flight here. You can click on this and get the information. So this is what you do here. You come here and then you can select, and you can go to edit, or you can just go to the actual link. So if I click that link, it's going to give me the actual affiliate link, which is my team store with their particular code behind it. right? So let's take a look and let's see what that looks like. I got to blur stuff online because I get spams everywhere now that some of my email addresses show up. I don't know. Hold on. Yeah, so when you click on the actual link, it's going to show up here. This is who this person is. I'm created in my email at Gmail, whoever that is. This is this particular product partner. He's active. It's for all products, and their affiliate link is going to show up there. You copy it, you send that to him. Says, hey, here's your link for all our products for our store. You're done. You're already set up. So you have, and you can build out your affiliate army. I'm not certain as how many affiliates you get, but let me check really quick. Let's see. Yeah, so I was able to check, and I'm not really able to, it doesn't say how many you get. It just says you get access to the affiliate program. And so this is your affiliate program. So it's built in. A lot of people charge you for affiliates. If nothing else, you can just get this tool and just run affiliates from it and then put your products in here and so on and so forth. I'm going to do another video later on on how you load up some different products and stuff, whether we do digital, physical, or any other type of support you may want to do. So again, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to do a series on this. I'm actually kind of liking this tool, but I'm going to do some more videos on some other tools as well. This is Jenny Jones. Take care, you guys. Be good. Goodbye for now.